National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Llano County, northwestern Burnett County until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Toe, or 15 miles north of Buchanan Dam, moving just at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Burnett, Buchanan Dam, Buchanan Lake Village, Lake Victor, Hinks Lake State Park, Baby Head, Lone Grove, Sunderland, Longhorn Cavern State Park, Bluffton, and Searle. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Keep on or near Lake Buchanan. Get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm.
Alexa, tune the PBS.
Remember, your weather synopsis for South Central Texas. Hot and humid conditions along with alerts for afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms will continue to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm.
Alexa, go to PBS.
To our life.
Okay.
Of its culture of indulgence. Well, the World Health Organization.
Really?
I'm just ready to eat something.
I don't know if PBS Kids does it.
It's just started popping up for people to live in.
Oh, those.
To compete with this chef because they have much more experience than me in Japanese cooking.
Seriously?
Because they are Japanese and
Fine, I guess the first one counts then. I don't know what the issue is. I think that's just absurd.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Now my dinner's gonna get cold.
Burnett County until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Burnett, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour.
I think it was somewhere.
Hazard to entail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Jury duty.
Indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
Where is it?
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Burnett, Marble Falls, Kingsland, Bertram, Granite Shoals, Meadow Lakes, Highland Haven, Hinks Lake State Park, Spicewood, Oatmeal, Longhorn Cavern State Park, Joppa, Mitnick, Shady Grove, and Cottonwood Shores. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Now, weather are close enough to be struck by lightning. For today and tonight, isolate.
I am not focusing right.
Can hear thunder. You are close enough to be struck by lightning. Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm thunderstorm warning for northeastern Llano County, northwestern Burnett County until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Buchanan Dam, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Buchanan Dam, Buchanan Lake Village, Bluffton, and Tow. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near Lake Buchanan, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. Get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can... Your local forecast. Severe thunderstorm watch 1. You can hear thunder. You are close enough to be struck by lightning this evening. West for today, sunny with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may be severe. Near steady temperature in the lower 90s. Southwest.
I completely forgot KKMJ relays these alerts. Or is that case? Do I not have them on a preset? Oh wait, what about... Oh, they do. That's good to know.
Between 1 and 4 inches of rain. Possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source.
Wow.
Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include
Bruh.
Buchanan Dam, Buchanan Lake Village, East Lake State Park, and along one Catherine State Park. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. Heavily drained hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks.
Oh, I gotta get KBBA ready.
According to local numbers.
Oops. I forgot to switch this back to WAI.
If your workday sounds like this...
A flash flood warning for northwestern Burnett County, east central Llano County, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Whoa, oh,
At 7:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 4 to 6 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts up to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source.
Oh, that's cool.
Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses.
Lucy didn't even
Some
go off.
locations that will experience
Victoria was
flash
in the
flooding
way.
include Burnett, Marble Falls, Buchanan Dam, Buchanan Lake Village, Hinks Lake State Park, and Longhorn Cavern State Park. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. In the late rain, there were hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks which can become killers in heavy rain. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request to pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request the Austin Bergstrom climate summary for this evening as of 5 p.m., May 5th, 2023. Today's high temperature of 91 degrees occurred at 3:58 p.m. The normal high is 84. The record high is 101 degrees, which was set in 1984. Today's low temperature of 72 degrees.
So apparently,
35 a.m. The normal low is 62. The record.
we're getting Tropo in the middle of all this now. That's why this, the 996 did not go off. Watch.
Sunset tonight is at 8:11 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 6:43 a.m. Austin Camp Mabry climate summary.
Keep that on the Austin side as much as I can. I'm glad this one did not get affected by it. I don't like that. Oh, I hate 1050 hertz. Where KST should be going to?
Weather Service in
There they are.
San Antonio has issued a flash flood warning for. Austin San Antonio has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Burnett County, East Central Llano County, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:29 p.m. heavy rain across the warned area. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 4 to 6 inches in 1 hour.
That's a lot of rain.
Additional rainfall amounts up to 3 inches are possible in the warm area. Marble Falls, flooding include Burnett, Marble Falls, Buchanan Dam, Buchanan Lake Village, Hinks Lake State Park, and Longhorn Cavern State Park. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. In the late rain, there were hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks. It is important to know where you are relative to streams. Campers and hikers should avoid stream sewers and heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks.
I just got done filming a flash flood warning.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Williamson County, Northwestern Travis County, Northeastern Blanco County, Southeastern Llano County, Southwestern Burnett County until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Marble Falls, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source,
Yeah, I'll fix that.
radar indicated. Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Bruh.
Expect wind damage to roofs, sideway, and trees. Locations of Marble Falls, Round Mountain, The Ender, Lakeway, Largo Vista, Granite Shoals, Horseshoe Bay, Meadow Lakes, Liberty Hill.
Why is this so loud?
Longhorn Source, Radar 80 down, Briar Cliff, Cottonwood Shores, Seward Junction. Expect wind damage to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
A lot of,
Your local forecast. Severe thunderstorm.
Oh, that's a new station. PJ. Too bad they don't relate this here. I think it's 88.5.
saying that.
Central tonight.
She's like,
Near Marble Falls, moving at 20 miles per hour. Some thunderstorms may be severe. Lows in the upper 60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour.
What's that on?
Chance of rain 40%. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Burnett, Marble Falls, Round Mountain, Lee Ender, Lakeway, Lago Vista, Granite Shoals, Horseshoe Bay, Meadow Lakes, Liberty Hill, Spicewood, Oatmeal, Smithwick, Longhorn Cavern State Park, Jonestown, Briarcliff, Cottonwood Shores, Point Venture, and Seward Junction. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
That's another sound. That is a new station found. Wow. That's insane. Excuse me. New station found. Now let's see where decided to go.
Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for.
Yeah, before I get to the usual, I'm gonna do a scan.
County until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Llano, moving east at 20 miles per hour.
Hairstyles looks like an opera.
Ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
I know case stuff.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kingsland, Llano, Buchanan Dam, Gainesville, Granite Shoals, Horseshoe Bay, Buchanan Lake Village, Highland Haven, Hinks Lake State Park, Lone Grove, Lufton, Stoles, Longhorn Cavern State Park, Oxford, Toe and Sunrise Beach Village. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Shit, I gotta get back to
Austin, San Antonio has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Burnett County.
Yeah, save that one. They'll go in a sec. But I already got the Air One, the 92.5 and KMFK. They're gonna go, hopefully.
4 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 4 to Woodson County, northwestern Travis County, central Burnett County, until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Oatmeal, or near Burnett, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact,
Okay, Texas
hail
will be
damage
this
to
guy.
vehicles is expected.
Remind me.
Locations impacted include Burnett, Marble Falls, Bertram, Granite Shoals, Horseshoe Bay, Meadow Lakes, Liberty Hill, Highland Haven, Spicewood, Oatmeal, Lake Victor, Mohammed, Joppa, Smithwick, Shady Grove, Longhorn Cavern State Park, and Cottonwood Shores. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Oatmeal, Lake Victor, Mohammed, Joppa, Smithwick, Shady Grove, Longhorn Cavern State Park, and Cottonwood Shores. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rain, thunderstorm warning for.
It's easier to
Central Burnett County until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight, producing a heat index of 91. The wind southeast at 12 miles an hour, and the storm was located near Oatmeal, or near Burnett, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Burnett, Marble Falls, Bertram, Granite Shoals, Horseshoe Bay, Meadow Lakes, Liberty Hill, Highland Haven, Spicewood, Oatmeal, Lake Victor, Mohammed, Joppa, Smithwick, Shady Grove, Longhorn Cavern State Park, and Cottonwood Shores. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Okay, so the last time I did not get 88.7 because I was getting a station from Houston, KUHF, but not this time.
Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Williamson County, northwestern Hayes County, northwestern Travis County, northeastern Blanco County,
southeastern
Lano County, southwestern Burnett County until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Granite Shoals, or near Marble Falls, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Central Daylight Time. Hazard: ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
That's how I feel.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Austin, Cedar Park, Burnett, Marble Falls, Kingsland, Dripping Springs,
There's one.
Round Mountain, Andersonville, Lee Ennis,
They're gonna be north of us. They're
Lago
that
Vista,
way.
Bee Cave, Granite Shoals,
Oh, Bee Cave.
Horseshoe Bay, Hudson Bend, The Hills, Meadow Lakes, Highland Haven, Spicewood, and Cypress Mill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
That's not gonna work.
Prepare immediately for large hail and damage.
I ain't got time for that because I gotta get.
People inside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Because I'm parsed out of the wow.
What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where? A portion of south central Texas, including the following counties: Burnett and Leno. When? Until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight.
Oh my goodness.
Impacts like flooding in Warren and Orange County area, southeastern Lano County, and southwestern crossings. Water over roadways. Additional details at 7:18 p.m. Central Daylight.
Support for NPR comes from this station.
indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Austin, Cedar Park, Burnett, Marble Falls, Kingsland, Dripping Springs, Round Mountain, Hendersonville, Leander, Lakewood, Lago Vista, Hudson Bend, Hills, Meadow Lake,
It says
Island
KJ,
Haven,
but it's
Spicewood, and
not. It's
Cypress Mill.
KAZI.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Awesome. Well, sort of.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Who is it for?
northern Blanco County, southeastern Llano County, southern Burnett County until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Horseshoe Bay, or 7 miles northwest of Round Mountain, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is
shoot, that's not
expected.
good.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marble Falls, Round Mountain, Granite Shoals, Horseshoe Bay, Meadow Lakes.
Oh, they're down too.
Cypress Mill, Smith North, Hollywood Shores, and Sunrise Beach Village. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large
Oh, wait for
hail
that
and
one.
damaging winds.
But 92.5 is down.
People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows.
KTXX is down.
Is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
It's always the Caleb that's
Do
not
not
down.
drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
There.
Your local forecast.
Never mind.
Severe thunderstorm watch 187 in effect until midnight Central Daylight.
We gotta wait for, oh, my light's not on. So, really? Oh, shoot.
Conditions in which people work.
Really? Anyways, I miss, for anyone who's watching the IEM EWX chat, or whatever it's called, the monitor, I missed some of the alerts because I just got done getting a haircut. Because I'm getting ready for prom tomorrow. For anybody that actually cares. If you don't care, that's good. Personally, I don't care either.
The National Weather Service in
silence this
Austin,
now.
San Antonio has
Stand up,
issued a
like.
severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Williamson County, northeastern Travis County, northeastern Bastrop County, central Lee County until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
That's gonna be the
At 10:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Windermere.
Anything other than that is
45 miles per hour. Thunderstorm was located over Windermere. 60 miles per hour. 45 miles per hour. Size hail. Hazard. Source. Miles radar indicated. And quarter-size impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to leaves, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Austin, Round Rock, Georgetown, Pflugerville, Taylor, Elgin, Lexington, Windermere, Hutto, Maynard, Fall,
Still down. This is not. It's back on the air.
Non Springs and Wells Branch. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Severe thunderstorm watch number 187 remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time Saturday for the following counties: Bastrop, Blanco, Burnett, Hayes, Lee, Travis, and Williamson.
Medicaid, pregnancy Medicaid, or if they're undocumented, or if they're immigrants.
There it is.
Moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
That they need.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles.
Not just for them,
Wind damage to roof. Locations in Texas, Austin, Round Rock, Georgetown, showers and thunderstorms until
of many policy decisions.
Swift, certain EKC states, Hornsby Bend, Non Springs, and Wells Branch. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Little boy, childish, Fisher Price.
This one, bro.
National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Blanco County, northeastern Gillespie County, southeastern Llano County, until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 10:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Blowout, or 16 miles west of Round Mountain, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Round Mountain, Johnson City, Sandy, Willow City, and Blowout. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Your local forecast. Severe thunderstorm watch 187 in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time tonight. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Yeah, tell me how you want.
Hours.
Lotto put them on, I'm just being honest. Lingerie, Dolce, blindfold, tie me to the bed while we role play.